So you got a school project, and you can either make a poster, mobile, flipbook, net, song, or video to find the surface area and volume of all solids, including formulas and examples. Thank you, Ms.Berry, for giving us this project. As you can already tell, I'm making a video for this school project. At first, I did a flipbook, but we all know it's pitiful, and I wanted to have a little bit of fun with it. So embark with me on this journey as we determine the surface area and volume of all shapes, solids, and whatever you want to know. Before you get in this project, you obviously want to know what the surface area or volume of a shape even is. So like any other natural human being, I went on Google and I searched up what is the surface area of shapes defined. Surface area is the amount of space covering the outside of a three-dimensional shape. We looked up what is the volume of shapes defined, and the volume is defined as the amount of space occupied by any three-dimensional solid. Okay, so how do you find the surface area to all shapes? First, you need to calculate the area of each face, add the area of each face together, and include the units. Allow me to show you some examples. Okay, say I have a cube, right? To get the surface area of a cube, you want to multiply the area of one face by the number of faces. So it would be area equals height times length times width. Okay, the height, for example, could be 8 inches, the length could be 4 inches, and the width of the shape could be 2 inches. You would want to multiply 8 times 4 times 2. 8 times 4 is 32 times 2 equals 64. So right there, the surface area of the cube would be 64 inches. And you would want to do this for every other shape. Height times length times width. That's how you find the surface area of your shapes. Or, to find the surface area of your shape, you could lay out the shape to all faces that it has. So a cube would have 6 faces, and you could get one face and square it, so it would be 1 times 3, and do that to both sides, and the area of the shape would be the area of a square side. So for example, this is what you would do. Something like this. I don't know if you could see it. You could do this one or this one. Next, we can go to the volume of shapes. And it's kind of weird because the volume of shapes is also length times width times height. So the formula for volume would look like this for shapes like a triangle or a triangular pyramid. So say I had a pyramid. The width would be, let's say, 2, length would be 4, and the height would be 6. 6 times 2 equals 12 times 4 equals 48 equals volume. Well, again, what is a volume exactly? A volume is the amount of space that a substance or object occupies, which is basically the area. But in this situation, we're not looking at the area, we're looking at the surface area of a shape. So basically, in conclusion to all your questions about surface area and volume and blah blah blah, in all reality, it's length times width times height. Stop thinking so much about the work that you have to do and show, and go back to 3rd grade math. It's not that hard. So Ms. Berry, with all that being said, thank you again for giving us this amazing project. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all learned something new. Have a blessed day.